Welcome back to another video, people. Today we're going to be doing a review on
the Razer Thunderbolt 4 dock. This one has a chroma.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, and it's got the, so that big actually has the RGB. The reason we picked this one up is because
we wanted to do a review.
Well, not review, but the only reason we picked it up is because I needed more ports for our Surface. We're going to actually test it out with the Surface Pro 11 with the Snapdragon processor. And the reason is the Microsoft Thunderbolt dock, 4 Thunderbolt, is actually more, as actually at the time of this video, this is actually $289. So the other one's $299. So I wanted to see, and since it's got more ports, it's got also, we can use it for Thunderbolt 3 or 4, our other computers.
And don't we have one like this in the back?
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, we do have it on the Razer studio back here. So maybe we'll, yeah, we can.
We'll put a picture of it on the corner.
But yeah, so you guys can see it, you know, the whole other setup there. But yeah, so let's take a look at it really quick. Let's unbox this real quick.
And also today we're going to be having Grandpa Among Us and Metal Necklace.
All right. Welcome, guys. Sit back and relax and see if you have any questions. Let us know.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can see here, it's got a nice little unboxing here. It's got, you know, everything here on there. You can see here, nice packaging. So this one actually has a little setup menu. We probably won't need this at all, huh?
We don't need instructions.
You don't think so?
No, you never need them.
So, and also this, just to keep, oops. Oh yeah, check it out, guys. You do get stickers. Good thing we opened this up.
Yay.
Got that nice Razer stickers.
Do we need those?
Yeah, we need these. This is gonna go in our mountain bikes. So we'll get that in there.
I want some.
Yeah, okay, we'll give you some.
Yay.
You can put them, so you can put them on, and you can put them on your bike. So yeah, let's take a look at it. This, remember, does have 4 Thunderbolt 4.
How come this has very good packaging?
It's a nice packaging. Yeah, it's a nice presentation.
Yes.
Yeah, for this packaging, as you guys can see here. Let's open this up really quick.
I think this is 5-star.
5-star. It's a 5-star on packaging. Yeah, check it out, guys. This is actually very light here. You guys can see that it's got nice matte finish here. It's got the Razer logo here, and then you guys can see there's the power in connection there.
And you forgot to say one thing.
What was that?
If you guys have questions, put it in the comment down below.
That's right, yeah. And we'll try to get to you as soon as we can. So down here in the back, you can see it's got the 3 USB ports here, the Thunderbolt ports there. There's 3 of them here, and there's another one here in the front. And again, these supports 40 gigabits per second with a display port out, so you can connect an external monitor. And again, as we work our way back in the back, it's got a network cable here, RJ45.
Up to 2 times 4K displays at 60 horizons or...
Yeah, that's right. It's got the Ethernet and it's got the SD card. And then next to that, it's got 3 USB Type A connections here, as you guys can see here. Those actually support, I believe, let's check it out. These actually support 10 gigabits per second, which is pretty good. This is actually Gen 2.
This is Gen 2?
Yeah, Generation 2 for the USB. They should have done the Gen 3, but anyways, it's nice.
Yeah, they should.
And up here in the front...
Wait, they didn't do the 3rd one of this?
Well, that's just the generation of the type of the USB connections.
Oh.
Yeah, but they have other connections. Up in the front here, you can see it's got a full-size SD card reader here, which is nice because I like that because our cameras have that USB card, so it's nice to be able to plug it in there. And I want to see, I'm gonna check to see, I don't know, the SD card, it's at ultra high speed 2, and I believe there is ultra high speed 3, so that might be on the little bit slower side. I'll compare it with our, because I've been using the Apple card reader, the dongle. That one's really fast because that one we take it everywhere, right? We take it on our vacation and transfer videos and pictures like quickly. So we'll compare that. And I like a nice thing, I like it up in the front. It's got the 3.5 millimeter.
I still wanted to say something.
What do you want to say?
Isn't our merch coming out soon?
Yeah, we're working on our merch, so hopefully we can get that out. And also we've been working on our logo. So soon, hopefully in the next couple more videos, we'll have our new logo to show you guys.
And opening up our shop.
Yeah, opening up our shop. Yeah, that'd be nice. And up here in the front, it's got the fourth USB Type-C in there, as you guys can see that. So that's pretty nice. And again, it's got a nice rubber part, rubber here in the bottom. So that actually keeps this from sliding back and forth, which is nice. And then, then you have nothing here.
And it's very hard, so that's why it's like very hard, so that way it can come down hard and you can't move it that well. Like a brick.
Yeah.
But lighter.
And then in here, you can see in here, again, nice packaging. And in here, here's the power supply, which is pretty nice. Let's open this up.
What's this?
You want to take that? You can open that up.
Oh, yeah.
Get that out so everybody can see if you want. That way we can be in a hurry here so we don't have to take too much of all you guys'
this is
time.
like the Lego set ones where you push it in.
Oh, that's right.
And then you got to open it up.
We'll move this box to the side here. And while you open this up, and just quickly show them the power adapter here. As you guys can see, it's got the 3-prong here power adapter. It's nice and smooth. It's pretty flat.
Nothing fancy.
Yeah, nothing fancy, as you can see, compared to the actual the hub. It is a little bit on the thinner side, as you can see that. Let me see there. Oops. You guys can see that. It's got the same kind of matte finish, which is pretty nice. And again, actually, this is not too heavy at all, so that's nice. And it's got a nice cable here, because this is actually the nice cable here. It's not that hard.
I can use this for a project.
Yeah, and again, like I mentioned, this actually plugs right in here like this. So then you'll have this like this, and then you're ready to go. And then this is actually the extension cable that was actually in the other box.
And we have this one too.
Oh yeah.
Man, this is coming with a lot of cables.
Well, we need all these cables so we can plug this in.
Yeah, but that's a lot of cables that we need.
And the nice thing, by the time you add all this together, let's see, we'll put it on there. It's fairly long. So if you have an outlet that's long, far away, it's going to be able to reach to wherever you probably want to connect it. So let's set this aside, and it does come. I'm sure this is actually a USB Type 4 cable Thunderbolt. Yeah, it is. I don't know if the video can catch that. It's got a Thunderbolt 4 on there. Hopefully that shows up there in the video. Let me move this out of the way and see if you guys can capture that in there. So it is a Thunderbolt 4 cable in here. It's a short one, which you don't want to have too long of a cable. And this is the one we'll connect from the computer to this dock.
Can I have this one?
Yeah, you can have it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's see, it's compatible with HDMI port, power charging. It does deliver up to 90 watt power charging. So if you guys want to charge your laptops, it supports up to 90 watts. So it shouldn't be a problem to support the Surface Pro 11 because that doesn't take that much. This the adapter itself is a 135 watt adapter. And it's actually, this material, it actually is aluminum, which is pretty nice.
You're right!
See, remember? Yeah, so and it does have the RGB lighting. You guys can see here, that's where the RGB lighting is at, up here in the front, and then the sides here, you guys can see that white. That's what's actually going to light up right around there. You guys can see that. So that's pretty nice. With the Mac OS, it's limited to the RGB because they don't have. I think it doesn't have no control with the application.
And you can get this in the Razer store, Amazon, and major electronics retailers.
Yeah, that's right. Very good. Very nice. So okay, let's back. We got this and we got this plugged in already here. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one to the computer here. So what I'm gonna do is use the Thunderbolt here, and then we'll plug it into the back of, not the back, but the side of the USB port here. As you guys can see that there, it's been plugged in there. Let me move this a little bit. It is charging the Surface Pro, which is pretty nice. So it's, at least you know that it is charging. So now what we'll do is, since I do have a, let me see this one. Hopefully this cable's long enough. No, we can leave that one there. We don't need it. And you can see right now it's got the RGB lighting up, but it's just gonna go the default unless we install the software. Then maybe we'll try that, see if the software works as well. and then see, you know, give you guys a, I would have to set up an account for that one, but we'll see. As you guys can see this, it actually worked perfectly. It's connected to the computer here on the 34-inch, sorry, not 34-inch, 49-inch monitor here. This is a Samsung 49 Odyssey monitor. So it actually looks good and works great. So yeah, so all you need is one cable. Right now I got the HDMI here.
And can they see what we see?
HDMI. What's that?
Can they see all of this?
Yeah, I got it over here in this other camera so they can see it. So yeah, so they can actually see all that on there. So let's say, for example, we open up our files.
You should move that a little bit up so that way.
And then so you can see here. You can just put it here, go like this, and then we can have other items on the other one, or we can just kind of do
I like how you can move
three different settings here. We can go like, oops, full screen. Let's do 3, and then we can do the, where's my, I lost, oh there it is. And then we can click something else over there. Or actually, let me do this. I can just open up 3 of these, and then let me open another one, and then we'll do this. We'll put it on this side, and then this one over here, and then we'll put this one in the center. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. This one in the center, and then we'll put this one over here, and see, we can have 3 different displays, which is pretty nice because on this is actually able to handle all this. And then plus we have the monitor here, so this docking station is actually working pretty good. And we do we have an SD card? Actually, let me see. We do have an SD card here, so let's put this slide in here. The SD card, that's a 1 terabyte, and it's actually, it is reading it. Let's see, let's go here, the USB. So yeah, it's yeah, it's able to read all the pictures and everything in there, so you can see that in there as well. So that's pretty good. I can double click and open it, and there it is. That's what we have there. It's just a picture of the GoPro. Yeah.
What is this?
That's just the GoPro.
Oh.
Yeah, so go ahead and hit the X there so you can close that one out. What I'm going to do is try to get a USB-C, and I'll put in the notes here if the USB to display port actually does any much better. Let me quickly show you guys, or let's look in here. See, hopefully this catches on the video there.
I can press the ones on here if you want.
Yeah, let me see. Well, we have it 150 scale. For
150, jeez.
Yeah. So let's go to the refresh rate. In here, 60 hertz is at right now. It actually doesn't look, no, don't push that because you're opening up the pages.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So it doesn't actually, it still won't support 120. Right now it's at 60 hertz. It's not supporting the 240 hertz using it with the dock and this USB-C to adapter to HDMI. It could be limitation to the cable here. So that's why I want to pick it up at DisplayPort. I always like using the DisplayPort because that one usually gives me all the full higher refresh rates and things like that. But I'll put it in the notes here. So again, if you guys were interested in picking up this dock, it's actually a great dock. Again, you can put your headset there. It's great for when you're doing your videos and everything. Yeah.
Like running, like we do when I come back from school.
No, well, yeah, to process the videos, you mean?
I like the lights that they added on the bottom.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
LED lights.
Yeah. Okay. Well, really quickly, let's let me try this. I'll try to let me stop it right here, and I'll load up the Razer software. See if we're able to load it up. See, because again, this is a Snapdragon processor from Qualcomm. I don't know if the software might not be compatible. So we'll take a look. Yeah, go ahead and close that. We'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, okay, now it's installed here, introducing the Razer Snappers. So let me do this full screen here for everybody can see. You guys can see here. This is the hardware. This is the Chroma app for lighting effects, games, and everything. You can start. Well, yeah, if you have games, you can install it. And
like Roblox?
Yeah, actually, I think it would actually work with the Roblox as well.
Yay.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and, oops, let me see, this is fire. Yeah, if you guys can see, hopefully here you guys can see on the, it's actually showing the dock there. I think if I do fire, there you go. See how it's actually changed it to like a fire colors.
Oh, like orange and all that stuff.
Yeah, let me. So just so you guys can see that, you know, the lighting here. See, and then we'll go ahead and
turn off the fan light so that way they can see it better.
I'll turn it off right now, and you guys can see that. See how it's actually purple there? No, that's okay. We'll do that right now. See, it's got that purple color that goes in there. You guys can see that how it's changing here. You see that here? It's pretty nice.
My favorite color is like the street light.
The street light. There's a green color here, so that should start turning into green. Yeah, you guys can see that really good here.
What turn did he fit?
This one. So we'll do the wheel. We'll do the wheel here.
What is the wheel?
It's got multi-colors, as you guys can see that.
So
it looks like it's gonna circulate the colors.
My favorite is cyan.
This effect can be applied for no device. Oh,
I like the
so
cyan.
Actually, no device.
Can we do starlight?
Those are some advanced starlight. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Click on it. That one's effect. Let's see. Does it do the starlight? Is it actually? Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, it is doing the starlight.
Can I see the color? My favorite color.
Yes.
Well, I thought it would be blue.
I know, that's just weird.
Yeah,
but it's doing the starlight. It's sort of like a green color.
Oh, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, you guys can see that. Fire.
Fire.
There it goes. It turns into like a red color. But yeah, that's what you can do. You guys can do. So it does work.
What about
even
green? Well, let's see.
Yeah, so it does work if you guys were planning on installing this with the Surface Pro 11 with the Snapdragon processor. So it's good. So if you guys want to change the colors or anything, you can also install other softwares in here. See, you can do the 100% or if you want it less. And then that way that lighting here
is 25?
Yeah, so the light's not so bright. If you don't want it as bright, you can see there. And then if I go to 100%.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, it gives you, see a much brighter light.
What about 1%? Let's see 1%. Oh, that's 0%.
Yeah, so you can see, you can barely see it. See, you guys can barely see that there.
That's 1.
That's the 1. You almost can't see that 1. See, it's just very low. So, yeah.
Put it back to 100.
Yeah, we'll put it. And then it's got for advanced effects. That's the breathing, fire, the same thing.
You know what they should add?
Actually, you have another color there. Look, you can do other colors.
Can we do cyan?
Cyan. Okay, there's the cyan color. Oops, sorry.
You did purple.
Yeah.
That's like a dark blue.
Yeah, where's this? Cyan.
No. Cyan, this is like the last one.
Yeah.
There we go.
So there it is. Kind of
color
blends.
1, color 2.
There's a cyan right there. And it kind of goes in between because it's the breathing. Oh, so breathing is the 2 different colors.
Let's see. Let's make it from, dark to bright.
Okay. Very easy to do.
There you go.
So that, yeah. So now you got those colors so you can see that. Very nice.
I want one of those for myself.
Yeah, you can get one.
Yeah, an LED light.
We should pick one up for your Surface
Pro?
Yeah. Okay, so everybody, I hope this helps.
Yeah. Sorry that was kind of long.
Yeah, sorry this took so long, but hopefully if you guys just wanted to skip through some of the
and also people that you're watching, it was way longer for us than it was for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
trying to set it up, I'll set it in. Yeah.
So hope this helps you guys. If you have any comments, questions, leave them below.
In the comment below.
Yeah, and we'll get to you as soon as we can. And we appreciate a thumbs up. Again, sharing the video, subscribing. It really helps us.
We're trying to get to as high as possible with the subscribers. Yeah. And we're trying to get a diamond play button.
Yeah, hopefully
if not soon. A gold one.
Yeah, well, yeah, that'd be very awesome.
For 1 million subscribers.
Yeah, that'd be great. But yeah, so yeah, I want to thank you guys once again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to
like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye, YouTube. Bye.
Thanks for watching.